To my fellow classmates, teachers, parents, and good day to all of you. We are now here on our graduation day, ending our first step of learning in school kindergarten. This is not the end, but just the beginning of our journey. A journey to enhance our knowledge and to learn more about life. I thank you, Papa Jesus, for all the blessings you're giving us, for having my dear mother, Mama, and my family. For the reason why I am modeled like this. Thank you, teachers, for giving us the chance to learn and to grow. Thank you, classmates, for sharing each day for the friendship. Thank you, everyone, and congratulations us. May we all have a blessed day. Thank you.